Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Gemini app on your macOS. So the first thing is I want to mention that you need to have Apple Silicon chip. On the older Macs it might not run the app, so if you're not sure you can just go to your system settings and about, and you want to make sure you have Apple Silicon chip, so N1, M2, 3, 4 or 5. Then we can move to our browser and you want to search for Gemini Mac download. Here you're gonna see this first option from the official Gemini site. And you should have this download for macOS button. So we can download this. It's going to start downloading this DMG file. Once the Gemini is installed, you want to double click on the file. It will show you this pop-up where you have to drag this app in your applications. So just drag your Gemini into applications. And now you should have this installed. So we can try it. You can open apps. If you want, you can add this to your dock. So you can just drag it right here and then you can open it anytime from here. And the first thing is you want to sign in to your Gemini account. So I'm going to quickly sign in, use Gemini, and now it should open Gemini and you can start using this. So here you have the prompt box. So I can type questions here. It will show you your chats on the left side. As you can see, you can add files from here. From your drive, you can create video, music. You can choose a model if you click on this flash icon. So you have 3 models here. And if you would like to use the voice instead typing everything manually, you can click on this microphone icon and you want to allow permission to Gemini to use a microphone, and then you can basically talk your prompts. I will click on the microphone. Hey Gemini, what's the largest parrot in the world? And we can send the prompt. So this is how you can use the microphone. Now, if you want to customize things further, you can click on your profile. You can go to settings. And if you want, you can maybe set some shortcuts here. You can connect apps like Drive, Gmail. For example, you can summarize your Gmails through this Gemini, so you don't have to even open Gmail. You can change a Gemini voice here. So if you scroll to your answer and click on those 3 dots, you can click on listen.
The answer to what the largest parrot is depends on whether you are measuring by length.
And it will start reading aloud your answer. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to quickly show you this Gemini app, how you can download it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.